If your content feels forced, awkward, or like you're trying too hard, this is probably why. A lot of entrepreneurs start creating content by copying what they think they're supposed to do. They try certain styles, certain trends, certain ways of talking, but when they post it, it doesn't feel natural. And deep down, they know it. Content feels forced when it sounds disconnected from who you really are. I've seen creators trying so hard to sound professional or trying to sound like another creator that they follow that they stop sounding like themselves. And when content loses authenticity, it loses connection too. People connect more deeply to content that feels real and clear, not content that feels overly polished or forced. So let me show you how to make your content feel more natural. First, talk like a real person. You do not need complicated words. You do not need to sound perfect. Talk the way you naturally explain things. That creates connection a lot faster. Second thing is stop trying to impress people. Focus on helping people, not impressing them. Helpful content feels more natural than performative content. The third thing is talk about things you actually care about. When you care about the topic, your content feels more alive, more real, more engaging. The fourth thing is let your personality show more. Your brand is not just information. It is your presence, your energy, your perspective, and that all matters. The fifth thing is live content helps this happen faster. This is one reason that live content is so powerful. People experience you more naturally in real time, and that creates stronger trust and connection. So, if your content feels forced, here's what's really happening. You're trying too hard to sound a certain way instead of communicating clearly and naturally. The good news is you do not need to become someone else to grow your brand. You just need to become more clear, more real, and more consistent. If this helped you, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the next episode. I truly appreciate you being here and for your support. All right, friend, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.